Artificial intelligence, AI, has been used for decades in various industries, including finance, healthcare, and transportation. However, the availability of AI technology to the general public has been limited until recently due to several factors, including the high cost of developing and implementing AI systems, the need for specialized skills to work with AI technology, and the limited access to data required for training AI algorithms. Recent advances in AI technology, particularly in machine learning and natural language processing, have made it more accessible to the general public. In addition, companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft have made AI technology available through cloud-based platforms, making it easier for businesses and individuals to access and use AI services without requiring significant upfront investment or specialized knowledge. Additionally, the proliferation of data generated by the Internet, social media, and other digital platforms has provided a wealth of information that can be used to train AI algorithms. This has led to the development of new applications for AI technology, such as personalized marketing, speech recognition, and predictive analytics, which are available to businesses and individuals. Overall, while AI has been used for many years, the recent advances in technology and data availability have made it more accessible to the general public, opening up new possibilities for innovation and growth in various industries.